Do you want to know how you can save money when shipping your pallets without compromising on quality and reliability? When it comes to palletized shipments, the right packing is key for transportation. However, often it is not as easy to prepare the shipment properly, and lacking time and knowledge makes the packing process even more difficult. When pallets are stacked messily, the risk of accidents and damage increases. This means higher costs for you and more effort for us on supplier side. At DHL Freight, our aim is to provide you with excellence in transportation and to support you with our broad expertise around the topic of palletized shipments. When you organize and stack your pallets neatly, you will benefit from numerous advantages and make the transportation of your goods easier. The right packing will finally pay off in better rates, because we, as DHL Freight, will reward you for the perfectly packed pallet. So, pack right, rate light. Together, we create more efficient and cost-effective logistics. DHL Freight. Excellence. Simply delivered.